To find the right niche on YouTube, start by listing your passions, hobbies, and expertise. Explore trending topics and popular niches on YouTube using tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics. Evaluate the competition in each niche by analyzing the number of existing channels, their content quality, and audience engagement. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, but also has a specific angle or unique perspective to differentiate yourself from competitors. Determine if there's a demand for content in your chosen niche by looking at search volumes, comments, and engagement on existing videos. Start creating and uploading videos within your chosen niche to gauge audience interest and feedback. Monitor the performance of your videos using YouTube Analytics to understand what resonates with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Continuously refine your content based on audience feedback and evolving trends to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. By researching, testing, and refining your content strategy, you can find the right niche on YouTube that aligns with your interests and has the potential for growth and success.